Guys, I'm Sam. Very thank you watching my video. Now I want to show you the Giuseppe Zanotti the golden shoes, pure whole golden shoes to you. First, this is the recipe, the Paris recipe. That is the shoes and the Giuseppe Zanotti original shopping bag. Look, very good quality. Okay, that is the shoes. That is pure golden version. Okay, first let me show you. You can see the very shining, the golden leather. Show you around the upon, shoes upon, and the tail box, and the button also is shoes, is golden button. Shoes made by pure Junior leather. That is the card, brand card, have number. Get the shoes, a golden button, very shiny, right? And then let me show you the metal lock. You can see the metal lock is very thick. The metal is very thick. You can see. If I take off the protect plastic, is very shiny. And the laces also the logo. And the zipper, golden zipper. It's very soft. It's material. The inside also have the Giuseppe Zanotti logo, and that is the Junior leather material. Very soft, you see. Very good. The shoes also is dust bag. That is the silver material dust bag. And Giuseppe Zanotti, the box, original box, very good quality, just authentic quality shoes. Also, we have other more model, the Giuseppe shoes. If you interested, welcome to contact me by my WhatsApp on the screen, or please add my Instagram. I show you new items on there every day. Okay, thank you for watching. Let's see you next video.